Alrighty, so we got a new kit in today. We're gonna open it up and see what it is. So go ahead and just crack it open. Can't even cut the box. There we go. It's upside down. That's okay. We got the Traxxas slash kit, unassembled kit. So I saw these when these came out, and I thought it was a pretty cool idea to sort of just kind of build on it on your own, get to know the truck. I kind of liked how they started coming out with the kits and everything. So but I think this actually comes with just about everything you need. You just need the batteries for the controller and the car, obviously. But yeah, it looks like it comes with all the electronics, which is nice. I was probably just gonna sell them off to a few friends and then buy some nicer electronics and whatnot. So don't really want to bore you with everything, so let's just see what we get inside of it. Let's see here. Looks like this is your electronics box with probably the transmitters in here, and then it looks like you get your receiver, ESC, and the motors in here as well, and the servo. So all your electronics are on one spot here, which is pretty convenient. Body, obviously, and it comes clear, so that way you can paint it to whatever you want. So that'll be good. This looks like differential gears. Yeah, actually they label the bags, which is nice. Differential bag, so that's good. And then this one is the front suspension bag. So this comes with the bumper. Looks like the A-arms and the steering assembly as well. So pretty much the whole front section, basically. So there's that part. This is the transmission bag, so basically the rear of the car where the motor goes, the gears, differentials and stuff. Let's see, this looks like the rear suspension bag. So this gives you all the rear bumpers, A-arms, shock towers, all the goodies. Then it looks like you got your chassis with your little side bumper rail things. I'm not totally sure what those are called, but battery tray is already on there and everything. Yeah, that's the chassis bag. And then this is your tools that you get, along with the shock spacer thingies here to make the shocks a little bit stiffer. They're not the coil, or not the coilovers, but like the, I'm not totally sure what they're called, but the threaded shocks, that's what they are. So instead of having threaded shocks, they're just the shock spacers. They're just kind of like the stock shocks that they give you, but that's okay. And it looks like you get all your stickers as well for the windshields and whatnot. I might keep the windows clear. So then obviously your instructions are in here too. So that's all those goodies. And the shock bag, so all the shocks are in here, along with the shock oil that you're going to use, which is also included, which is nice. And that's pretty much what's all in the bag. But we could just go ahead and get assembling it. Since this kit doesn't have too many parts, we could probably do it all in one quick video, and then we could do like a running video next and stuff. Like once I start selling off some of the parts, like I'll probably upgrade my wheels and tires to probably pro lines, and probably just sell these new to somebody who wants them. and I was probably gonna get rid of the shocks and all the electronics, and then just buy probably like Hobby Wing electronics, maybe a good servo off of Amazon that I've been getting recently that are pretty good. And I'll probably keep the transmitter. I honestly don't mind the Traxxas transmitters, they're pretty good. So I'll probably keep that portion. And I think I was gonna get the long travel kit from, I need to remember what their name is. I'll put it up here in the corner. But they make like a metal long travel kit for the 2-wheel drive slashes for the front and the rear. So I was gonna save up for those and buy those kits, and we'll kind of just go from there. But let's go ahead and get building.
You wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine. Golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Got the devil in your eyes. You went and took me by surprise. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden.
Alrighty, so now that we're done with the truck itself, mostly, just gonna get some new electronics. I'm gonna work on the body here. I've already started to tape it up a little bit. On the sides here, I put the window mask in there already. I don't know what that's in there, but we're gonna go ahead and start with the paint job, and we'll kind of see how it goes. The kit also does come with these masks as well. They're like flames and lightning bolts and stuff, but I don't really want that because it's not my personal preference. So we're just gonna go with a custom look, and we'll just kind of go from there. Probably gonna do the front. I'm not totally sure what colors I have. Might do a yellow or an orange on the front, and maybe a black on the back. Might be kind of cool, but we'll kind of see. We'll kind of go do it as we go. But let's go ahead and get started painting. Alrighty, so I think I've got the first couple of coats on there. It's looking pretty good. So I've coated the orange side 3 times, just kind of letting that dry for a second, and then I'm going to do another coat on the black. And as you can see, I've got this tape going along the side here. So when I rip that off, I'm going to do the white inner coating, and that'll kind of give the colors a little bit of a brighter shine to it. Because if you do black, it kind of makes it looks a little bit darker than normal. So I'm gonna back it up with white, and then after I take the tape off, so I'll have that white stripe on there as well. I think I actually have to take off some of the tape here because I think I accidentally let it go across here. So I'm gonna take that off, then do a black coat. But I think I'm just gonna let the stripe just go up to probably just to about here, so it comes up on the fender, and then just call it good. I know these bodies get bashed pretty hard anyway, so I'm kind of like, whatever, it doesn't really matter. I mean, it'll look pretty cool once it's finished, but we'll kind of see how it goes. But yeah, I guess we'll just kind of let it dry for a second, and we'll just keep painting. Alright, it's looking pretty good. Just gonna let that dry, and then we'll take a look at it, and we'll peel off that top cover that's on there, and then we'll see how it looks.